Module 3, Managing Active Directory. Introduction to Active Directory. Active Directory, AD, is a directory service and identity management solution developed by Microsoft that is used in Windows Server operating systems to manage and organize resources within a network. It is a central repository that stores information about users, computers, groups, and other network objects, and provides services for managing access, authentication, and authorization to these resources. Active Directory offers a wide range of services and functionalities, including 1. User and computer management. Active Directory allows administrators to create, modify, and manage user accounts, computer accounts, and groups centrally, simplifying the management of users and computers in a network. 2. Authentication and authorization. Active Directory provides authentication and authorization services, allowing users to authenticate themselves and gain access to network resources based on their permissions and security group memberships. 3. Group policy management. Active Directory allows administrators to define and apply group policies to control and enforce security settings, configurations, and restrictions on user and computer accounts. 4. DNS integration. Active Directory integrates with Domain Name System, DNS, to provide name resolution services for locating domain controllers, domain resources, and other network objects. Active Directory is widely used in enterprise environments for managing user accounts, computers, groups, and other network objects, providing a centralized and secure way to manage access and permissions within a Windows Server network. It is a key component of Microsoft's identity and access management infrastructure and plays a critical role in managing the security and organization of a Windows-based network. Creating and managing users and groups. Creating and managing users and groups is an important aspect of managing an Active Directory (AD) environment in Windows Server. Users and groups are essential components of an AD domain, and they enable administrators to control access and permissions to resources within the network. Here are the steps to create and manage users and groups in AD. 1. Creating users. Open the Active Directory Users and Computers snap-in from the Server Manager or Administrative Tools. Navigate to the Organizational Unit, OU, where you want to create the user account. Right-click on the OU and select New User to start the new user wizard. Fill in the required user information such as first name, last name, logon name, password, etc. Click Next and follow the prompts to complete the user creation process. 2. Managing users. To manage user accounts, right-click on the user account in the Active Directory Users and Computers snap-in and select the desired management action, such as resetting password, enabling/disabling an account, changing group memberships, etc. Users can also be managed in bulk by selecting multiple user accounts and applying management actions in a batch. It's important to follow best practices for creating and managing users and groups in AD, such as using strong passwords, regular password changes, proper group membership management, and adherence to the principle of least privilege to ensure the security and integrity of the AD environment. Regular monitoring and auditing of user and group accounts are also recommended to ensure compliance with security policies and to promptly address any security concerns or issues. Group policy management. Group policy management is a feature in Windows Server that allows administrators to manage and enforce policies across a network of computers and users. Group policy provides a centralized way to configure and control settings for Windows-based computers in an Active Directory (AD) environment. Here are the key concepts related to group policy management. 1. Group Policy Objects, GPOs. A GPO is a collection of settings that define the configuration and behavior of computers and users in an AD domain. GPOs are created and managed in the Group Policy Management Console, GPMC, which is a graphical tool for managing group policy. GPOs can be linked to various AD containers, such as domains, organizational units, OUs, and sites, to apply settings to the objects within those containers. 2. Group policy settings. Group policy settings are used to configure a wide range of settings on computers and users, including security settings, desktop configurations, software installation, and many other system settings. Group policy settings are stored in the Group Policy Template files, ADM/ADMX, and can be configured using the Group Policy Management Console or Group Policy Management Editor, GPMC. 3. Group policy inheritance. Group policy settings are applied to computers and users in a hierarchical manner. GPOs linked to higher-level containers, such as domains, are inherited by lower-level containers, such as OUs. This allows for a consistent application of settings across the AD environment, with the ability to override settings at lower-level containers if needed. 4. Group policy filtering. Group policy filtering allows administrators to control which computers and users receive the settings defined in a GPO. Filtering can be done based on various criteria, such as security group membership, user or computer attributes, and WMI filters. Group policy management is a powerful tool for managing and enforcing policies in an AD environment, providing centralized control over settings and configurations for computers and users. It requires careful planning, testing, and monitoring to ensure that group policy settings are applied correctly and consistently across the network, while also adhering to security best practices and compliance requirements. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.